Good evening, ABR Market Watch viewers. The day's market story unfolded with two key highlights: US tariff concerns casting a shadow over the BSE Sensex and NSE Nifty, causing them to dip 0.34% and 0.3% respectively, while the Indian rupee weakened against the US dollar by 0.65%. As we look back at August, it's clear that this tariff threat has been a significant headwind for our market. The Nifty 50 and Sensex experienced a 2-month decline of 1.4% and 1.7% respectively, with the rupee sliding past the 88 per dollar mark, reaching an all-time low. Foreign investors withdrew $3.3 billion from Indian stocks in August, the heaviest outflow since February. Economists predict that these tariffs could reduce India's GDP growth by 60 to 80 basis points if they persist for a year. Key sectors feeling the brunt include state-owned enterprises, drug makers, financials, and energy stocks. However, there were glimmers of hope in the auto and consumption indexes ahead of next week's Goods and Services Tax Council meeting, where tax cuts are to be discussed. Hero MotoCorp and Maruti Suzuki saw significant increases due to expectations of tax cuts. As we look forward, the market is eagerly awaiting domestic economic growth data and a key US inflation reading for insights on the Federal Reserve's rate outlook. Despite underwhelming earnings, there's a possibility of a prolonged sideways correction in the market. However, Abhishek Goenka, founder and CIO of wealth management firm Billions, suggests that a sharp sell-off is unlikely unless the trade situation worsens. Today, the Indian stock market saw a downturn with the BSE Sensex decreasing 0.34% and NSE Nifty 50 dropping 0.3% amid fears of US tariffs impacting growth and earnings. The rupee fell 0.65% against the dollar due to similar concerns about tariff-related damage to growth and portfolio flows. Government bonds saw a yield rise, reflecting negative sentiment following strong economic data. Overnight index swaps climbed nearly 4 basis points for 1 year and 5 BPS for 5 years. The call money rate was at 5.25% and the overnight TREPS rate at 5.35%. In conclusion, the Indian market is showing signs of stress due to concerns over US tariffs, resulting in falling stocks, a weakening rupee, rising bond yields, and higher swap rates. Stay tuned to ABR Market Watch for more insights on this evolving story.